Welcome to Mama My Strength's kitchen. Let's cook together. Friends, if you like this video, do subscribe, like, share, comment and hit the bell icon. For Moong Dhal or Mung bean curry, following are the ingredients. To make Mung bean curry, you need to soak it overnight. Here's the washed version that I'm going to cook now. I'm taking water, ghee, onions, ginger garlic paste and dry chili. Here I will be using turmeric, curry leaves, cumin seed, black mustard seed and salt to taste, but I'm not gonna use masala, and I'm also going to use a little bit of chili powder, but it's optional, depends on how spicy you want. I'm using a wooden spatula and a non-stick pan. I'm first going to heat the ghee. Next, I'm going to fry onions together with all my dry spice. And these dry spice are going to be cumin, black mustard seed, salt to taste, ginger garlic paste. I'm gonna wait until it's little brown, and I'm also gonna add curry leaves to it. There goes the little chili powder as I mentioned, but it's optional. Please do not put any curry masala in this. Dal doesn't need curry masala. I've already added salt to this, as you can see, cumin seed, just a little bit of black mustard seed. You can see the quantity that I'm using. Now I'm gonna fry them, and there is no tomato that I'm adding into this. In goes my curry leaves, as mentioned earlier. When you do this, or when you are frying this way, you actually call this tadka as well in Indian. Mung beans cook very fast than compared to other dal like chana or urad and all those dals, and it is very healthy as well. So now I'm adding mung beans to this, and like I mentioned, I am not using any curry masala, but I will be adding haldi. So do not use curry masala along with haldi or turmeric powder. Turmeric powder is going to give it the yellow color. Therefore, we do not need masala, as I'm repeating, otherwise the taste will become awful. Now I'm adding dry chilies. I'm adding dry chilies just to give it a little bit of color. Like I said, depends on your taste. You can avoid it, or if you want to go along with it, you can do that. Or even you can add the fresh red chilies if you have. I prefer to have my food colorful than to have same color. So now the dal is fried. Now I will be adding water to that. You will notice that I always prefer frying before adding liquid to the food. This enhances the taste. Now the mung bean has been cooked, or moong dal curry, and I'm adding cilantro, which is the last ingredient, just to garnish it. And you can see it's nice and soft, and you can serve it with roti, puri. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe.